Mr. Rex Mac 444 here, and today I'm going to be here with Battle Beast 123, aka Jackson Coleman 11. No,
just Jackson Coleman 1. Battle Beast 123.
And all new subscribers to my Mitchell Jodic channel. Go check out Mr. Rex Mac 444.
Okay. Well, look at this. It's like.
Okay, let's get started. You little Dion.
It didn't even drink it. Do we go?
No. Let's say go. You bum.
Ready, set, go.
Wait, Mitchell. Ow, stop. 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 Stop.
Stop.
Mitchell,
Oh,
stop.
he's drinking it.
Okay. Okay, you say go.
Ready, set, go.
Ow. It's cold.
Go. You have a butt? There we go. Well, I just broke half of it.
No burp. Ow. Ow. It's not as bad as 7-Up by 1 liter. You have burpingitis. Ow. Let's burp. You still like to try to take it out. Done.
I'm shaking.
I'm done.